Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing great. Crypto Mining Insider here, and I'm here with my new crypto watch. That's right, this is the new crypto watch along with the new Mini Doge 2 miner. I have a lot to cover today, and if you're interested in getting one of these cool watches like me, definitely stay tuned. But before I get into today's video, if you haven't already subscribed, smash down on that subscribe button. Stick with me and let's get started. So I have this cool new crypto watch, and it comes as part of a bundle with the Mini Doge 2, or it comes solo. And what's great about this watch is that it's like a smart sports watch in a sense, because not only does it do a lot of features related to crypto, it's packed with a lot of other features too. It has a battery life that can last up to about 7 days, a 1.8-inch screen, looks really sporty, plus it does a lot of things that a normal smartwatch would do too, including give me weather updates, message notifications, and even step tracking, plus a whole lot more. Even lets me monitor crypto prices. What's included with this watch? Well, it comes with a charger that plugs into a USB, as well as an informative instruction booklet that even has QR codes so you can quickly set up your phone to sync up with it. Let me take it out so you can see. I know everyone wants to see this Doge, including myself. It does look really cool. Well, how does this watch get so smart? Because it actually pairs up with your smartphone. Mine is an Android, but it'll work with an Android or an Apple phone. I've already installed the Goldshell Zone application on my Android phone. Now I'm just going to click on the Add Watch, scan the code, and I'm going to bring it over to the watch. Let it scan the code, and it's quickly going to set up and configure and bind the watch to the phone. And that's thanks to the Goldshell Zone app. And this app, developed by Goldshell, is really packed with a lot of features that lets it monitor your miners via the Goldshell hub. I'll be able to monitor them right here on my phone through the Zone app, as well as it'll send notifications to the GS watch so I can see if any miners are offline. I can do other things too, customize my miner's performance. I can actually send in low or high power mode, so it's like overclocking the miners directly from here, see their performance, and I even can send in different mining pools through the templates. Let me show you some of the highlight features of the GS watch, beginning with that it has the ability to show you crypto prices of different coins that you may be interested in. Along with, you can monitor your different message notifications. It has configuration information. And you can even have information on the time settings depending upon what your preferences are. And that's really based on the information it's receiving from the Goldshell Zone application. The Goldshell Zone application, which I have up right now, you can see I have 2 miners currently connected, and it's paired up with the GS watch. I can connect to the watch, and I can see a lot of information about daily prices or other stuff. But if I wanted to go to the watch itself, I could even choose different watch faces. So let's say if I wanted to choose this watch face instead, I could tell it to install, and it's going to download. And upon it downloading, set its current watch face, boom, there we go. Now you can see, so it's very highly customizable, and that's one thing that's great about this watch as well. It also lets me set up some information as far as the notification and monitor the different coin prices from here. One of my favorite features though about the application is I can come into the application, and not only can I see the miners that are up and running, I can manage the miners. I'll be able to look at the different miners that are up. Currently there's a Mini Doge 2 miner as well as a SIA coin SC Box 2 miner up. I can come in and configure these miners. So you can see this solution provides seamless connectivity to your miners no matter where you are. One of the first questions I had when I seen this technology is, well, how does the Goldshell app or the watch, how is it able to connect to my miners? And that's actually pretty simple once you understand the Goldshell ecosystem. See, Goldshell also offers what's called the Goldshell Hub platform. To create an account on there, you just need an email address and a password. And once it validates your account, it's going to give you an account or a security key that you're going to enter back into the miner. Under Cloud Settings, you click Apply, and there it is. Your device will then be part of the Goldshell ecosystem. you maintain all control over how you manage and monitor it from there. And you can easily set up an account too. Goldshell actually even offers a tutorial page on their website. I'll be putting a link down below if you're interested in it. But if you want to look at mine, here's the Goldshell Hub. I actually have 2 miners set up. You can go into miner management, and you can see there's a list of the different miners. There's the Goldshell SC Box 2, as well as the Goldshell Mini Doge 2 miner. So actually I have 3 places I'll be able to access my miner. I can access it from the Hub portal. I can access it from the Goldshell The Zone app, or now with the new GS Watch as well. I have a variety of the Mini Doge miners in my home crypto mining farm, including the Mini Doge 2 miner. And I absolutely love these miners. However, I must be at home to be able to configure and monitor these miners. From a home computer, I can readily access the miner's web dashboard to set up what is the mining pool, high or low power, and see how it's performing. Here's the web dashboard for the Mini Doge 2 miner. But once I step outside of my front door, I am essentially powerless and blind to how well this miner is running. But now, thanks to the new Goldshell Zone app and GS Watch, that's all changed. I have the ability to seamlessly connect to my miners wherever I am, provided I have an internet connection. Not just to monitor the miners, but to be able to alter their configuration too. Maybe adjust the mining pools through templates, or even set them in low or high power mode. Having the ability to monitor and configure your miners wherever you are is really a game changer in my opinion, and I plan to use this on all my Goldshell miners. Looking at the Goldshell website, I can see there's already information posted about this watch, even though it's not formally released yet. It says get ready for the new product on October 16th. Subscribe now for $50 off the Doge combo, and there'll only be 100 sets. Seamless crypto connectivity, your watch, your miner, your crypto universe. And there's a lot of other information here too, including that it'll be offered as a solo watch, or you can buy it as part of a bundle with different information on what's included as well as the prices. So if you're interested in this, I'll be putting a link down below. And if you have any of the Goldshell miners, I highly encourage you to take a look at their app. Just being able to seamlessly access your miners wherever you are, to me, that just provides so much freedom in our ability to be able to monitor and reconfigure our miners wherever we are. So I definitely give this a thumbs up. It's a big win in my opinion for us as miners, and it was definitely a great initiative on Goldshell's part, and I really appreciate Goldshell sending me this miner and watch for reviewing today. That about wraps it up for me today, and I'm really enjoying my new Goldshell, my new GS watch with the cute little Doge emoji on it, and being able to see my miner statuses, what's online, if there's anything offline, as well as live crypto prices. Plus, this watch is actually giving me a lot of other information now that I'm starting to use it more. I get notifications when I'm getting missed messages or things even on WhatsApp, so it seems to have some of the smartwatch features built into it too. So I'm really appreciating the whole ecosystem that I'm able to actually access my miners no matter where I am. So whether it be from my phone or from this new GS watch, I think that's definitely a big improvement over what we had. It gives me a lot more freedom. But I'd love to know what you guys think, so definitely drop a comment down below. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. So until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.